Hello everyone. I just received my FiloFax. It's the Pocket Croc Fawn leather. I'm going to try to open this with one hand while I record with the other hand. Let's see if I could do it. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's take that out. Okay, this little thing here. Oh, it's pretty. I got the lighter color because I know I'm going to use it more in the summer. I use my Kate Spade and my Louis Vuitton for the winter. One stays home, one goes in my pocketbook, but a smaller one I think it's better for the summer, and I love this color. Ooh, look how pretty that is. It's pretty soft. Not like the Giglio, but it is. It's really nice. It comes with the FiloFax inserts. Let's see. Has the to-do list, a little bit of color, ruled paper, contacts, grid paper, week on 2 pages. I like the week on 2 pages. It also comes with this little thing here. This is nice. It has a pocket here. It has slots for your credit cards, gift cards, or reward cards. It has a zipper here. Nice. And then it has a pocket. You can put anything. I probably put money in here. Use it as my wallet plus my planner. Wow, this is really nice. Oh, it comes with a little ruler too. Nice. It's really nice. Well, I hope you like this video. I just wanted to share my new pocket planner. It's my first one actually. And I'm gonna see how I decorate or how I use it, and I'll share that with you. But thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Queen Jessa signing off.